Robot training course, robot battery panel installation and 0-point recording. The robot is shipped without batteries installed. The battery is located behind the base of our robot. First, remove the screws at the four corners. After opening, you can see four connectors. Plug and unplug the robot and battery connectors in order. After the docking is completed, you can use cable ties to fix it. Install the screws. Plug in the heavy-duty power cord. Buckle up. Turn on the control cabinet switch. The green light comes on to indicate success. Two error messages will appear after booting. The clear key has no response when pressed. We need to restart the control cabinet. After powering on, press the clear button to clear the. We want to clear the multi-term value. Click Confirm. Click to clear multi-term values. We can clear it individually. You can also clear all. Confirm. Click to return. This page is to set the 0 position. We can record 0 points individually or all 0 points. Press the clear button to reset and click Confirm to confirm. All confirmed. Shut down and restart. Open the emergency stop button. Press the clear button and all alarms will be cleared. Click Up. Select Admin. Enter the password and click Confirm. Click to log in. Click Settings. Click on the robot parameters 0 position. Adjust the rotary button to teach mode. In teaching mode, press the Enable button so that the robot can operate normally. Adjust the servo status to Ready. Click on the joint. There will be 4 joints, J1, J2, J3, J4. Align the 0-point label on robot axis 2. Axis 3. Axis 1. Axis 4. Once all labels are aligned, the 0 point can be set individually. You can also set all. Click to return. Press the Enable button and 4 joints will appear. Add and subtract keys to adjust the position. Correspond to the robot's label. The 4 joint positions of the free motion robot. Press the Home button to confirm whether the robot can return to the 0 position. Determine whether the 0 position setting is successful.